Spreadsheets, especially Microsoft Excel, has become the go-to business application for many professionals. However, without proper management, they can easily turn into data shadow systems within an organization. A study by Aberdeen Group found that 70% of organizations have at least one data shadow system in place. Of this, 40% are spreadsheets. Let me give you a hint. If in your organization, the primary means of sharing data is Excel via email, then you have a problem with data shadow systems. I'm Chuwa, a business analyst, and in this video, we will explore what data shadow systems are and how can we mitigate the risk of spreadsheets becoming the primary source of a data shadow system in your organization. Data shadow systems refer to unofficial or unauthorized tools created and used by employees outside the formal IT department. These systems are used to store, manage, and analyze data. They often lack the security, governance, and integration provided by the official IT infrastructure. For example, if your organization's accounting system does not support certain transactions, data shadow systems will be the Excels created by every accountant on their computers to perform those transactions. In most organizations, employees use spreadsheets to create data shadow systems. Some of the most common reasons include to address a specific need that is not being met by the official systems, to save time and effort, to have more control over the data, or to work around the limitations of the official systems. While spreadsheets can be a valuable tool, they are not without risk. Some of the risks associated with using spreadsheets to create data shadow systems include data silos. These are isolated areas of data that are not connected to other systems. This can make it difficult to get the complete view of the data, which can lead to poor decision making. Security risk. Spreadsheets are not typically subject to the same security controls as official systems. This can make them vulnerable to unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security incidents. This risk can be mitigated by following 3 steps. First, structuring spreadsheet files. Second, treating spreadsheets as a database. And third, leveraging the use of business intelligence tools. Let us start with the structure of spreadsheet files. Instead of complex folder structures and multiple sheets, consolidate your data into one spreadsheet. Let's say you want to record the sales of your products. The wrong approach will be to open many folders with spreadsheets, and each spreadsheet has more than one sheet. For example, the first folder will be sales, then followed by multiple folders for the years, then multiple folders for month, and then in each month there are multiple Excel files for each date. Each Excel file will then have multiple sheets for each product category. This structure makes the process of managing and sharing data to be more complex. The solution is to merge all folders and sheets into one spreadsheet. This can be achieved by following the second step, which is to use spreadsheets such as Excel as a database rather than a presentation tool. Instead of having multiple spreadsheets with product name and amount columns, there can be one spreadsheet with the following columns: date, product category, product name, and amount. In order for your spreadsheet to be like a database, the rule is that you have to arrange your data in rows and columns and never merge the cells. Additionally, implement forms such as Google Forms for data entry. This structured approach allows for more efficient data management. Furthermore, integrating business intelligence tools enhances data analysis, visualization, and sharing. Now let's talk about business intelligence tools. Business intelligence tools are software applications that help businesses collect, analyze, and visualize data. They can be used to track performance, identify trends, and make better decisions. Some of the most popular BI tools include Microsoft Power BI and Google Looker Studio. In this video, let's explore a little bit about Looker Studio. In our Looker Studio, let's create a new report and link the report with our sales spreadsheet, which is a Google Sheet file. On the dashboard, I can add tables, charts, scorecards, and many other data visualizations. I can also add a filter for date or custom filters depending on my data, such as a filter for product category or product name. The Looker Studio dashboard can be shared as a PDF report or an online link, and there is no limitation with the design style of this dashboard. You can develop beautiful dashboards as well. By adopting these strategies, you can reduce the risk of spreadsheets becoming data shadow systems within your organization. If your organization is struggling with disorganized spreadsheets and relies on email for data sharing, reach out to me for guidance on eliminating data shadow system. Let's ensure that your data remains organized, secured, and accessible. Thank you for watching.